At RoyalLinks, we use high-quality bricks for their durability and thermal insulation properties. Bricks are an excellent choice for load-bearing walls, providing strength and stability to the structure. Our efficient bricklaying techniques ensure minimal wastage and precise construction. Advantages: durability and longevity. Excellent thermal insulation, reducing energy costs. Fire-resistant and low maintenance. RoyalLinks. Best practices: proper soaking of bricks before use to improve mortar adhesion. Using the correct mortar mix for maximum strength. Ensuring bricks are laid level and plumbed to maintain structural integrity. Timber is a versatile and sustainable material used extensively in our construction projects. We use treated timber to ensure resistance to pests and moisture, enhancing the longevity of the structure. Our precision-cut timber framing ensures a perfect fit and strong connections. Advantages: renewable and eco-friendly. High strength-to-weight ratio. Aesthetic appeal and natural insulation properties. RoyalLinks. Best practices: using properly seasoned and treated timber to prevent decay and pests. Accurate cutting and fitting to avoid gaps and ensure stability. Regular inspections and maintenance to preserve structural integrity. Steel is integral to our construction process, providing unparalleled strength and flexibility. We use high-grade steel for reinforcement and structural elements, ensuring safety and durability. Our precise welding and bolting techniques create strong and reliable connections. Advantages: high tensile strength and flexibility, resistant to termites and fire, allows for innovative and complex architectural designs. RoyalLinks. Best practices: ensuring proper coating and protection against corrosion. Accurate measurement and cutting to avoid material wastage. Regular inspections and maintenance of steel structures. Cement is the backbone of our construction projects, forming the basis of our concrete work. We use high-quality cement to ensure strong, durable, and weather-resistant structures. Our precise mixing ratios and curing techniques guarantee optimal strength and longevity. Advantages: high compressive strength, versatile and can be molded into various shapes, resistant to weather and environmental conditions. RoyalLinks. Best practices: using the correct water-to-cement ratio for optimal strength, ensuring thorough mixing to avoid weak spots, proper curing techniques to enhance durability and reduce cracking.